let's figure out the rest of these warnings. I'm going to open a level on which they have not been fixed. And we made a health and a bullet HUD. I'm actually going to delete those. And what we're going to do is go back to the demo scene, save scene, open scene, scenes, demo. And in here, in GUI, that's what we want to make a prefab of. So just drag it down here, the whole thing, as it is. And I already had that, so I'm going to delete this extra one. Now we'll go back to the scene we want to affect. Open scene, scenes, scene level 2. Okay. And drag that GUI in here. This one's got everything we need in it, but there are some quirks, a number of them. So first, let's get back to where we were. First person controller, now that's unset since we deleted it, so it's health is the one we want to set. Drag over there for HP. And then in weapon manager, rocket launcher, we want to put ammo in there, bullet GUI. So now we're back to where we were, but these are probably not going to show up correctly. I mean, they're clearly not here right now. So we need to figure why not. Well, part of the reason is select them all and activate them. Now they're there. That's nice. But note that they're all, the positions on all of them are negative 3.97 and 5.4, but the master object, the parent object, is at 3.97 and negative 5.4. They're offsetting each other, and really they're all at 0. So I'm going to say reset position, and they're going to go away. But as I reset these positions, they'll come back. So I believe I can do that with all of these at once. Okay, that's better. Save, and actually with this fixed one, I'm going to drag this here. Delete that, and rename this. Okay. Now, let's see what warnings we have now. Okay. All right, we've got the variable PAT texture of weapon manager has not been assigned, and the variable GUI of pause has not been assigned. All right, well, here's pause, and in this script, I've looked in some detail, and this is the variable it's talking about, GUI. And I don't really know what this is doing. It's not that variable. It's just set active false or set active true. It says activate textures here, but there aren't any textures in the GUI in the demo. So I don't know that it's of any value, but just to appease it, I'm going to drag that there. That's fixed. And now for this other one, PTA texture, that one, that's a little frustrating. So PAT texture, it's only used in one place. It's initialized, it's created as a public, and then initialized. Set active, actually. Well, that's a horrible name. I don't know what that means at all. So let's rename that. That's actually ammo text. But it's actually ammo GUI text. And this one is health GUI text. And this one is grenade GUI text. And I'm going to change this to label, because these are the labels on the outside, on the left of them. And then down here, ammo and health and grenade. And it says textures here. They're not textures. I think somebody just got pretty confused. Ammo, label, grenade, label, health, label. Now, let's go back. Now, those still aren't going to be set. Oh, I might have set those other things while it was running, and if so, then that just wiped them out. Let's see. No? Yes. My bad. GUI, first person controller. That one's okay. And rocket launcher. That one's okay. All right, we're back, and in the weapon manager, all these are not set, but now probably these make some sense as to how they map over here. So ammo goes to ammo, and health goes to health. Grenade goes to grenade. And these are the labels, which is labeled here as text. And there's even better names for these things. Naming things is actually one of the hardest things to do in programming, to be honest. But these match up. Save, and that should clear out these warnings. Let me clear them here and see if they come back or not. So they're all working, and that works. Exit, nothing, no error, no warnings.